Learn Hindi greetings fast. How are you? 2.
और आप?
For English speakers. Welcome to your first polite Hindi chat. Hey, you are about to sound surprisingly polite in Hindi in just a few minutes. And yes, even if your tongue trips a little, that still counts as progress. Today you will learn a tiny but mighty conversation. How are you? Good, thank you. And you? In Hindi, the star phrases are
आप कैसे हैं? अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
and.
और आप?
Think of them as the polite social toolkit. With these, you are no longer just standing there smiling like a confused potato. Your main phrase. Let's start with the phrase that opens doors, conversations, and possibly extra cups of chai. Say it with warmth and a small smile. In English, how are you? In Hindi,
आप कैसे हैं?
this is a polite form, great for elders, teachers, guests, co-workers, or anyone you want to address respectfully. Say it slowly.
आप कैसे हैं?
Now together.
आप कैसे हैं?
If you want a memory trick, imagine a very polite parrot wearing glasses and asking every person at the door.
आप कैसे हैं?
A good reply. Now you need a reply, because if you only ask questions forever, people may suspect you are secretly a journalist. In English, good, thank you. In Hindi,
अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
say it in 2 parts.
अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
Now the full reply.
अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
This reply feels calm, polite, and grateful. Imagine someone asks how you are, and instead of giving a dramatic 20-minute life update, you simply say,
अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
Don't forget to ask back. Good conversation is like table tennis. You do not keep the ball forever. You gently send it back. In English, and you? In Hindi.
और आप?
This is short, useful, and very polite. Say it slowly.
और आप?
Now together.
और आप?
If you answer, good, thank you, and then add,
और आप?
you sound thoughtful instead of mysteriously self-absorbed. Mini dialogue at the door. Let's hear the full exchange in action. Picture a warm greeting at the doorway. Person A says.
आप कैसे हैं?
Person B says.
अच्छा, धन्यवाद. और आप?
In English, that means, how are you? Good, thank you. And you? Say the whole Hindi exchange with me.
आप कैसे हैं? अच्छा, धन्यवाद. और आप?
Funny memory theater. Now let's lock these phrases into your brain with a ridiculous little scene. Brains love weird stuff. You walk into a grand hall. At the center stands a royal parrot in a tiny jacket. It bows and says,
आप कैसे हैं?
You reply like a very calm superstar.
अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
Then you point back politely and ask.
और आप?
The parrot wipes away a tear and says, finally, someone with manners. Quick practice drill. Your turn. I'll give the English, and you say the Hindi in your mind, or out loud if nobody is around to judge you. How are you?
आप कैसे हैं?
Good, thank you.
अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
And you?
और आप?
Again, faster. How are you?
आप कैसे हैं?
Good, thank you. And you?
अच्छा, धन्यवाद. और आप?
Tiny culture tip. A little politeness goes a long way, and Hindi gives you a very elegant way to show it. The word
आप?
is a respectful way to say you. That is why.
आप कैसे हैं?
And
और आप?
sound polite and appropriate in formal or respectful situations. If you use these with a teacher, elder, host, or new acquaintance, you are making a great impression. Basically, you sound like someone who remembers birthdays and says thank you to bus drivers. Challenge round. Let's see if you can handle a complete social moment. You can do this. Imagine you meet your teacher. You say.
आप कैसे हैं?
Your teacher asks you the same thing. You answer.
अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
Then you politely return the question.
और आप?
Now say the full answer in one flow.
अच्छा, धन्यवाद. और आप?
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a real, useful Hindi conversation, and you did not even need a dramatic training montage. Today you practiced.
आप कैसे हैं? अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
And.
और आप?
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat these phrases during the day, and use them the next time you meet a Hindi speaker. You are doing great, and every small phrase you learn builds real confidence.